good. Le Gun Show. Time for more live music now with an exclusive performance of a track from Golden, her 6th album to hit the top spot. Please welcome back, Kylie!
Ooh, it's Saturday night or a Sunday started, 'cause when morning light comes and you're broken hearted. We were close to something, ended up with nothing. All I hear is echoes of the words we said. All the battles they play over in my head. We were close to heaven, now it's gone to hell. And so I roll the windows down and I just fade you out. And it rolls out thunder and it hits like lightning. When you're going under, it lifts you up again. Right now that kick drum feels like a heartbeat, and I'm falling for that long lost melody. I put the radio on, saving myself with a song. I put the radio on. If I keep driving, keep moving forward, 'cause there's nothing worth me turning this around. I've been hiding these miles between us, so I'll keep the volume up to drown you out. Forget you were around. And it rolls out thunder and it hits the lightning. When you're going under, it lifts you up again. Right now that kick drum feels like a heartbeat, and I'm falling for that long lost melody. I put the radio on, saving myself with a song. I put the radio on. I really need a love song to rescue me. I really need a love song that I believe. And it rolls out thunder and it hits like lightning. When you're going under, it lifts you up again. Right now that kick drum feels like a heartbeat. I stop falling for that long lost melody, and I find out who it is I'm supposed to be. I put the radio on, saving myself with a song. I find the strength to move on. There in the moment I'm strong. I put the radio on.
Oh, Kylie!
Thank you. Have a sit
I've
down.
worked out what the hanky's for. Kylie, you are so amazing.
Thank you.
Isn't Kylie amazing? One of the brilliant things about doing this show live is my sister has just texted me and she says, "Can you tell Kylie I love her and I have tickets for her show in September?"
Well, thank you, and I'll see you in September.
Yeah.
You gonna come?
Of course.
Excellent.
I'm her +1, always. Congratulations on your #1 album. It must feel exciting to try...
Just hearing you say that is amazing. Thank you very
#1
much.
album. Another one. But it seems like your fans have really embraced the country, Kylie.
Yeah, they have. I think some of them were a little bit nervous, but as the album kind of reveals itself, they kind of get that it's a Kylie record, but it definitely, I've loved having this, the country influence. It's been a lot of fun to play with.
And we really like the outfits as well.
Yeah, I know. Next time I see you, then the whole get-up.
Chaps.
Yeah, chaps.
Okay.
That's all I'm saying.
We're up for that. That would be great. You're right, we do love you, Kylie. You're right. Okay, well, enjoy your tour, and thank you so much for being on Sounds Like Friday Night tonight.
It's my first time here. This was amazing. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much.
Okay, next up then. After 7 years away, these multi-Brit Award winners have just made a huge comeback with a big sell-out Greatest Hits tour. Last week, we caught them at rehearsals before their Brixton Academy gig. This is Mike Skinner and The Streets.